In this video, we're going to go through and show you how to create a job within JAMS to execute any SSRS report. Let's select the Home shortcut, create a job. Underneath Microsoft SQL Server Jobs, we'll select Create an SSRS job. Here, I'm going to select the folder I want to save my job within, and I'm going to select my SQL Jobs subfolder that is within my maintenance folder. Here, I'm going to give the job a name. We'll call this Demo SSRS Execution. The execution method is pre-populated for us, and that is SSRS. Optionally, I can put a schedule on this job. I can tell this job to execute daily at 1 a.m., for example. Select OK. The source code of the JAMS job will now open. In this first field, we want to put the URL to our reporting server. Now, to find this URL, you can connect via SQL Management Studio to your reporting instance and right-click and go to Properties. Here in the URL is the URL we're going to want in the JAMS job. Now, this may be different than the URL you utilize from within a browser, for instance. So let's just paste this in this field. And in the report path here, we're going to populate this with a list of reports that exist. We'll select a report. And I do want to point out that any report that you select, if it has parameters on it, we're going to populate the parameters tab of the JAMS job with that parameter that is on that report. So now you can give this parameter a value within JAMS, and we'll pass it at runtime to that report. The report format, we'll choose PDF here, but you can choose any format you'd wish. The report location is going to be ctest, the directory we want to save this within. And we're going to give this report a title. So I'll call this Test SSRS Execution. Here we can save and close this job. We can navigate to our definitions and our SQL Jobs subfolder. And here you'll see the job that we just created, the Demo SSRS Execution. I can right-click, submit this. On ad hoc submission, you can override any parameter value or supply the value. We'll go to the monitor, and we'll see that the Demo SSRS Execution is now executing in the monitor. And in the monitor here, we can monitor that. As it's completed, we can go to our directory where we saved, or where we told the job to save the report to. So here you'll see the test SSRS execution.pdf. We can double click on this to open and look at the results. And that's all it takes to configure a job in JAMS to execute any SSRS report.